Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Virtuous Baker, and today I'm going to be showing you around my school, University of Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria. So today I'm going to be showing you around my faculty, and that is Faculty of Education to be precise. So guys, I just got to school and I don't even want to start explaining what happened on my way to school. This small building is called Ladies and Gents. In case you don't want to use the school public toilet, which is for free, you can come to this Ladies and Gents, then pay a token amount of 100 naira to take your bath and use the toilet. Just so simple. So guys, this is the Faculty of Education building, and beside it is the pavilion. Tips guys, each faculty and department of University of Ilorin has a free Wi-Fi, in as much you know the password, and some doesn't even put password. It's your luck. So in this pavilion, you can sit, eat, browse, sleep, read, and also relax while you enjoy free Wi-Fi. Only Unilorin can relate to this. So if you want to relate, come to my school. So next is the first lecture theatre for Faculty of Education students, and also is the second lecture theatre. I don't even know how many students can occupy, but I know it's more than 1,000. Also, in this Faculty of Education, we have many departments. We have PhD departments, we have Premier and Adult Education departments, a lot of departments under this faculty. Some are here, some are the various faculty also. So thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed it and it's helpful. Please guys, don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share to your friends and family. See you in the next video. Love you, bye.